Good morning, all of you. In this class, we are going to discuss about a very important topic, that is electrochemical series. Now, in this class, we are going to discuss about a very important topic. This is very important while solving the need or JW questions. Need or JW questions. This topic is very important. Now, we will see what is meant by electrochemical series. We know various elements are present. Various elements are present. For example, zinc, copper, etc. Number of various elements are present in the periodic table. Now, these elements are having fixed SRP values, that is standard reduction values, standard reduction potential value, SRP values. For zinc, the SRP value is minus 0.76 volt. Minus 0.76 volt. For copper, the SRP value is plus 0.34 volt. For hydrogen, we assume it as 0. SRP value is 0. Similarly, for aluminium, some SRP value is there. For magnesium, some SRP value is there. Various elements are having fixed SRP value. Fixed SRP value. If these various elements are arranged in increasing or decreasing, in increasing order or decreasing order, increasing order or decreasing order of their SRP values, we will get a series. That series is called as what? Electrochemical series. Electrochemical series. What is meant by electrochemical series? It is the arrangement of various elements. It is the arrangement of various elements in order of their increasing or decreasing, order of their SRP values. That series is called as what? Electrochemical series. Now we will see definition. Here it is the arrangement of various elements in order of their increasing or decreasing, values of the standard reduction potential. Standard reduction potential. That is SRP. That the series is called as what? That particular series is called as what? Electrochemical series. Just remember, what is meant by electrochemical series is various elements, number of elements are arranged in increasing order or decreasing order of their SRP values. That particular series is called as what? Electrochemical series. Means this is the series which indicates the SRP values of the various elements. Now we will see the series of that elements. Right? I am writing in increasing order from lower SRP to the higher SRP values. That is the element which is having lower SRP value to the higher SRP value. That is, I am writing in order of increasing order of SRP values. Means here left side lower SRP values elements are there, right side higher SRP values are there. Right? Now we will see the series. Very important. You should have to remember the series. Then only you are able to solve the NEET or JW questions. Now we will see how the series is. Now, For that, I want to remove this one. Clear? Now we will see series. First, I will write the series. Now, increasing order, right? Lithium is having lower SRP than the potassium. Similarly, potassium element is having lower SRP than the calcium. Here that is in this way, increasing order of the SRP values. Here it is, increasing order of the SRP values. Which one is having very least SRP value or lowest SRP values? That is lithium. Which one is having highest SRP values? That is fluorine. Now, how to remember this whole series? That is the question. Right? You should have to remember all the elements in order. Again, you should have to remember all the elements in order. That is difficult. For that, I made one hint. Right? That is in Hindi. I made one of the hint for remembering all the elements in order. Right? One hint is there in Hindi. We will see that one. Now, for example, we will do example. Father and son are talking, correct? Now, what son is asking? Dad, please give me a car gift as car, right? In my birthday. Or just think, right? We will take one example. For son is asking to the father or dad that give me a gift car, right, on his birthday. Right? Father is replying that after taking the car as a gift, don't ask me the aeroplane. That is, right, in Hindi, how it is. Now we will see. Here, lithium, le, kar, car, na, mang, aeroplane. Lekar car, naman, aeroplane. Means after getting car, don't ask me aeroplane. Correct? That is called lekar car, naman, aeroplane. Right? Le, that is lithium. Kar means potassium. Here car means calcium. Na means sodium. Mang means magnesium. Aeroplane means aluminium. Right? In this way, we have to remember first one. Right? Next, the second one is here. This one is continuing in this way. Right? Next element is water. Right? Next the compound is water. In this way, this one is also continuity. Right? Now here, first one is lekar car, naman, aeroplane. Now here, second one is someone is telling that water will make the iron rust. Correct? Water, the presence of water on the iron, it will make the rust. Right? After the rust, right, there is a problem. So that someone is telling that water can make the rust. Therefore, just remove tin and lead from that. Correct? In Hindi, how it is? Pani. In Hindi, that is pani. Zang. Zang means rust. Correct? Pani zang karta. Iron. Fe means iron. So that nikal. Tin lead. Tin lead. After telling that, he is telling that, okay, I will do. Right? In this way, you have to remember. That is pani, that is water. Right? Here, zang means zinc. Right? Karta means chromium. Right? Next, iron means Fe. Right? Nickel means nickel. Tin means same SL. Right? Lead means Pb. O means H2. Right? Pani jhang karta iron. So, right after that, nikal tin lead. After that, he is saying that this one is the second hint for remembering this line. And next, third one is here. Chlorine and cobalt are fighting with each other. chlorine and cobalt are fighting with each other. Right? All the people are watching that one, and one father and dad is also there. Son is moving, right? To avoid that fighting, correct? Son is moving towards those two people. Right? That time father is telling that क्यों इतना आगे हो रहा बेटा, करेक्ट? क्यों इतना आगे हो रहा बेटा? वो क्लोरीन और कोबाल्ट फालतू है, फालतू है. This one is the third. This one is the third. You can remember by using this hand, right? क्यों इतना आगे हो रहा बेटा? बेटा मीन्स सन. क्यों इतना आगे हो रहा बेटा? वो क्लोरीन और कोबाल्ट फालतू है बेटा. This one is not just I'm writing here for remember फालतू है, right? No. Just saying what is meant by electrochemical series is it is the arrangement of various elements in increasing order of or decreasing order of their SRP values. Data I took here increasing order. Here this one is having lower SRP value. This one is having higher SRP values. Means the SRP values are increasing from lithium to the fluorine. That is increasing order of their SRP values. Right? Now, what is the hint is? Hint ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ for example first line, right? ಇವೆಲ್ಲ increasing order ನಾಗದ first increasing order ನಾಗರ್ತೀನಿ. First line wise ಮಾಡಿನ actually continuous ಆಗಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Line wise ನಮಗೆ easy ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ line wise divide ಮಾಡೀನಿ. First ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡೋಣ. First ಒಬ್ಬ ಮಗ, right? ಅಥವಾ son ತನ್ನ ತಂದೆಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನ, ಈ ಸಲ ನನ್ನ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇಗೆ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಬೇಕು, ಕಾರ್ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಬೇಕು. ಆ ತಂದೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ, ಕಾರ್ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿನ್ ಬಾ ನೀ ಏರೋಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಕೇಳಬಾರ್ದು. ಕಾರ್ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿನ್ ಬಾ ನೀ ಏನ್ ಕೇಳಬಾರ್ದು, ಏರೋಪ್ಲೇನ್. ಅದು ಹಿಂದಿದಾಗ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ, ರೈಟಾ? लेकर कार नामाग एरोप्लेन, right? Here le means lithium, car means potassium, car means calcium, right? Na means sodium, right? Mag means magnesium, aeroplane means aluminum. First line, right? For second one ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತದ ಐರನ್, ರೈಟ್? ಐರನ್ ರಸ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತದೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ವಾಟರ್ ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಅದು ವಾಟರ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ, ಐರನ್ ರಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ಅದ್ರ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ವಾಟರ್ದಾಗ ನಿಕಲ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಟಿನ್ ಇಕ್ಕಿದ್ದು ಅದು ತೆಗಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದೇ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಹಿಂದಿದಾಗ, ಪಾನಿ ಜಂಗ್ ಕರ್ತ ಐರನ್ ನಿಕಾಲ್ ಟಿನ್ ಲೆಡ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವಳು ಹೂ ಅಲ್ತಾನೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಅದು ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ H2, right? How to remember this one? पानी जंग करता आयरन निकाल टिन लेड, right? पानी water, जंग जिंक. It karta means chromium. You have to remember karta means don't write potassium, already here it is. Karta means what here? Chromium, right? Iron means Fe, nickel means nickel, tin means same tin, lead means lead only, who means H2, right? This is the next last one. For example, ಈ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೋಬಾಲ್ಟ್ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಜಗಳ ಆಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಫೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದಾರ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ ಅಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಸನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ತಾರ, ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಜನ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ತಾರ. ಅದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ತಂದೆ ಮಗನು ನೋಡ್ತಾರ. ಅವಾಗ ಮಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ, ಅವ್ರಿಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಜಗಳ ಬಿಡ್ಸಮಿ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಅವ್ರಿಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ದೂರ ಮಾಡಮಿ ಅಂತ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. ಇನ್ನ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲತ್ತಾನ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಡ್ಸಮ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲತ್ತಾನ. ಅವಾಗ ತಂದೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಅವ್ರೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಇಷ್ಟು ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಆಗ್ಲತ್ತೈತಿ, ಅವ್ರ ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೋಬಾಲ್ಟ್ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಫಾಲ್ತು ಬಿಡ, ರೈಟ್? ಅವ್ರ ಜಗಳ ಆಡ್ಬಿಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಅದೇ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, क्यों इतना आगे हो रहा बेटा ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಷ್ಟು ಮುಂದೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, क्यों इतना आगे हो रहा बेटा? वो क्लोरीन और कोबाल्ट फालतू है, और क्लोरीन ಮತ್ತೆ कोबाल्ट फालतू है, करेक्ट? वो क्लोरीन और कोबाल्ट फालतू है, राइट? ಇದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಫ್ಲೋ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅದು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. now you will see क्यों, that is copper, right? इतना आयोडीन, आगे सिल्वर, बोरा मर्क्यूरी, बेटा ब्रोमीन, right? O ऑक्सीजन, right? now chlorine, same chlorine only, और gold, correct? cobalt, same cobalt only. फालतू means fluorine. In this way you have to remember the complete series. Now just remember, here it is hydrogen, correct? For hydrogen its SRP value is 0, 0. Already we have discussed standard hydrogen electrode. In that already we have discussed that inert cell for the standard hydrogen electrode is arbitrarily assumed to be 0. It is assumed to be 0. This one is 0 means here 0 means all these elements before that lead, tin, nickel, iron, chromium, zinc, water, etc. All these elements are having SRP values negative. Correct? Their SRP values are negative values. Negative values. Correct? Now these are all are having before that hydrogen all are having negative SRP values. Negative SRP values. Whereas from next to the hydrogen, that is here copper, iodine, etc. These are having the positive SRP values. Positive SRP values. Just remember, before hydrogen, negative SRP values elements are there, or the elements which are having negative SRP values, negative standard reduction potential values. The elements after hydrogen, these elements which are having positive SRP values, right? These up to from lithium to lead, all these elements are having negative SRP values. From copper to fluorine, these elements are having positive SRP values, and this hydrogen is having SRP value that is equal to 0, right? Now just remember these elements in order, right? By using the clear. Now how it is useful in solving the problems, need or general equations, right? Now we will see the use of the electrochemical series. I want to discuss here use or applications of the electrochemical series. For example, first application I want to discuss. First one, what is the first application is now. For example, two elements is given, zinc and copper, and he is asking that which undergoes into oxidation. In these two elements, which undergoes into oxidation? That is the question. Four options are there. For example, only zinc, only copper, both zinc and copper, none of the above. Correct? Four options are there. First one is only zinc, second one is only copper, third one is both zinc and copper, fourth option is none of the above. Correct? Which one undergoes into oxidation? We don't know, right? But this electrochemical series will give the hint. What is that hint? Is the one which is having lower SRP. The one which is having lower SRP. Now I'm writing lower SRP, which undergoes into oxidation. Right? And the one which is having higher SRP, it undergoes into reduction. Lower SRP element undergoes into oxidation, higher SRP element undergoes into reduction. Now here zinc and copper is there. In electrochemical series, just observe, right? Which one is having lower SRP? He is asking which undergoes into oxidation. Oxidation means the element which is having lower SRP. Now just observe which one is having lower SRP, right? In zinc and copper. In these two elements, which one is having lower SRP? Just check. Right? Now just check. Where is zinc? Here it is zinc. Correct? Where is copper? Here it is copper. Means zinc is, this one is increasing order. Means zinc is having lower SRP than the copper. Therefore, zinc is having lower SRP. Therefore, it undergoes into oxidation. Therefore, correct option is A. That is only zinc undergoes into oxidation. Which element? If he asks which element undergoes into reduction, your answer should be copper, because it is having higher SRP than the zinc. Zinc is having lower SRP than the copper. Therefore, zinc is undergoing into oxidation. Whereas copper is having higher SRP than the zinc, therefore copper undergoes into reduction. Such type of questions you may ask. Second one is in these two elements. If he made the cell, two half cells by using zinc and copper, he made two half cells and connected one, and he is asking which one is anode, which one is cathode. In the cell which are made by zinc and copper, which one is anode, which one is cathode? He will ask. Already you know here zinc is having lower SRP. It undergoes into oxidation. Oxidation occurs at anode or cathode? Always oxidation occurs at anode. Therefore, here it is lower SRP means oxidation as well as it acts as anode. Correct? Already I given hint, an ox and red cat, an ox, anode at the oxidation. Correct? And anode always oxidation. Red cat reduction at the cathode. Correct? That you have to remember here. Lower SRP means what? Oxidation. The element which is having lower SRP undergoes into oxidation. Oxidation means anode. Now already we know another important point. The element which undergoes into oxidation is also called as reducing agent. Correct? The one which undergoes into oxidation is called as what? Reducing agent. Therefore, here it is also reducing agent. In zinc and copper, which one is reducing agent? Your answer should be zinc because it is having lower SRP. Because it is having what? Lower SRP. Similarly, for higher SRP, here reduction is there. Next reduction occurs at the cathode. That is copper is act as a cathode. Correct? Now next here. The one which undergoes into reduction is called as what? Oxidizing agent. Then we have studied in the first year in redox reaction chapter. The one which undergoes into the reduction is called as what? Oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent. This one is the first thing you should have to remember. That is lower SRP means it undergoes into oxidation or it acts as an anode or it is a reducing agent. Higher SRP means it undergoes into reduction that acts as a cathode and it is an oxidizing agent. Now, in this electrochemical series, which one is best reducing agent? Which one is good reducing agent? Reducing agent. Where it is here, it is reducing agent. Correct? For reducing agent, lower SRP value should be there. Which one is having very low SRP value? Here, lithium. Therefore, I can say that lithium is the good reducing agent. Is the good reducing agent. Next, he may ask, correct, out of these elements in the series, which one is having, correct, which one is good oxidizing agent? Good oxidizing agent. Here, oxidizing agent is there. For oxidizing agent, what is the condition? Higher SRP. That is the element which is having very high SRP value. That is the good oxidizing agent. Here, fluorine is having very high SRP values. Therefore, this one is very good oxidizing agent. Very good oxidizing agent. In this way, you have to remember. Right now. Next, first hint over. I am writing hints here. First hint is for solving problem. First hint is lower SRP. I will write at the last one. Okay? No problem. After doing this, I will give all the hints. Now, second one. Second one. For example, he is giving four options. Four options: zinc, copper, aluminum, and hydrogen, and he's asking arrange these elements in order of increasing power, right? Increasing order of their oxidizing power. Oxidizing power. Right? He's asking what? Oxidizing power. Right? Now just remember. He want to arrange these four elements in order of their increasing oxidizing power. Increasing order of their oxidizing power. Right? Or decreasing order of their reducing power. Reducing power. Now, how to solve this one? Now, just remember here, oxidizing agent means it is the one which is having higher SRP. It acts as an oxidizing agent. Means it is having high oxidizing power. Just remember this one. SRP is directly proportional to oxidizing power. Oxidizing power, and it is inversely proportional to reducing power. Reducing power. Lower SRP, reducing agent. That is lower the SRP, more will be the reducing power, or higher the SRP, more will be the oxidizing power. This SRP is directly proportional to the oxidizing power and inversely proportional to the reducing power. You should have to remember. Now, first we will see which element will come first. First, which element will come? Aluminium. Correct? First, aluminium. I am writing in order of first, increasing order of their SRP values. Right? Aluminium is there. Next, zinc is there. Next, hydrogen is there. Hydrogen. Next, copper is there. This one is the increasing order of their SRP values. Increasing order of their SRP values. Therefore, SRP is directly proportional to oxidizing power. Means this is the correct order. This is the increasing order of their oxidizing power. Oxidizing power, because SRP is directly proportional to the oxidizing power. If he asks, arrange these four elements in order of increasing of their reducing power. Reducing power. Arrange these four elements in increasing order of their reducing power. Just make it reverse. Just make it reverse. That will give the increasing order of their reducing power. Reducing power. In this way, you can solve the NEET of JW problems by using the electrochemical series. This one is the second hint. What is the second hint? This This one is first end, this one is second end. SRP is directly proportional to oxidizing power and it is inversely proportional to the reducing power. This one is second end. Now we will see third one. Third. Here, third thing I want to tell, that is potassium and aluminum. Two elements are there. Here I am taking two elements, that is potassium and aluminum. Potassium and aluminum. Right? He is asking that which is more reactive in these two? Which is more reactive in these two? Right? Option A, potassium. Option B, aluminum. Option C, both potassium and aluminum. Option D, none of the above. Right? Now, which is more reactive? Always remember the one which is having more negative SRP. More negative SRP. That is more reactive. More reactive. The element which is having more negative SRP, that is having more reactivity. More reactivity. More negative SRP value, more will be the negativity. Now here, from hydrogen before, all are negative only. All are negative only. Correct? But which is most negative or more negative? This one. Potassium is more negative because here SRP is slowly increasing. Correct? Therefore, this one is having more negative compared to the aluminum. Therefore, I can say that potassium is more reactive than the aluminum. Potassium is more reactive than the aluminum. That is the third thing is SRP value. Right? For SRP value, the one which is having more negative SRP values, the one which is having more negative SRP values, that is having more reactivity. That is having more reactivity. It is also depends upon the SRP. Reactivity is also depends upon the SRP value. This one is the third thing. Now, fourth one we will discuss. Fourth thing. Fourth is fourth one. For example, this one is the reaction. Particular metal M. For example, plus 2, M plus 2. M plus 2. Metal after losing 2 electrons, we will get the M plus 2. M means metal, it loses 2 electrons, therefore plus 2. Right? Here I want to write reduction reaction. It means gain of electron. This particularly metal cation is gaining 2 electrons. After gaining 2 electrons, it will become neutral. That is metal. That is neutral metal for this reaction. Here E naught of M M is that is SRP of this particular metal is. Now let us take minus means SRP value of this metal M is standard reduction potential value of this metal M in this reaction is how much it is? Minus 2. How much it is? Minus 2. Right? For balancing the reaction, correct? For solving the problems, right? We have to multiply or divide this reaction by 2, 3, 4, somewhere. Correct? Now, in such cases, for example, I want to multiply this whole reaction by the 2. Whole reaction by the 2. For example, 2 into M plus 2 plus 2 electron gives rise to M. I want to multiply with the 2. Now, what happens to this value? It remains or it is changes. It is a question. It is the question. Right? Here, for this reaction, E0 value is minus 2. After multiplying 2 to the whole reaction, after multiplying 2 to the reaction, what happens to the E0 value? It will become 2 into minus 2. That is minus 4 or it remains minus 2. Now, if someone is writing it as minus 4, it is wrong. It is wrong. Correct? No, because SRP values are fixed for each element. It won't change after multiplying or dividing anything. Correct? Maybe 2, 3, 4, whatever may be. If you multiply or divide, correct? SRP value remains the same. SRP value remains the same. Means here also after multiplying it is minus 2 only. If you divide 2 to the whole reaction, then also SRP value for the metal it is minus 2 only. For this reaction it is minus 2 only. Means standard reduction potential for a particular element, whatever may be the element, particular element is fixed. It is fixed. After multiplying or dividing any value, it won't change. It is fixed. Correct? This one is very important point. What happens while solving the NEET problems or JW problems? Will student write it as minus 4, correct? After multiplying 2, after dividing 2, he will write correct. He or she may write as minus 1. It is wrong. Just remember, after multiplying or dividing, whatever may be the number, right? The SRP value remains same. SRP value remains same. Again, very important point is if you reverse the reaction, here I am writing a reverse reaction. M N+2 plus 2 electrons. Reverse reaction. What happens to the SRP value? Means we came to know that after multiplying any number or dividing any number, SRP remains same. Standard reduction potential is fixed for the element and it won't change after multiplying or dividing. It is fixed. This is the first point. The second point, if we make the reaction reverse, what happens to the SRP value? Just remember, if you reverse the reaction, the sign of the SRP value changes. Means minus will become plus. If it is plus, it will become minus. Sign changes. If it is minus, after making reverse, it will become plus. If it is plus, after making reverse, it will become minus. Sign will change. Whereas this magnitude remains same. Means the value remains same. Magnitude of the SRP remains same. Right? If you reverse the reaction, magnitude of that particular SRP value remains same, whereas the sign changes. Only sign changes. Correct? For this reaction, it is -2. Right? If you make the reaction reverse, it will become +2. For example, if it is -8, after making reverse that reaction, it will become +8. It will become the +8. This is the thing. Correct? After multiplying or dividing any number, SRP won't change. It is fixed. If you make the reaction reverse, the sign of that SRP value changes. Magnitude remains same, that particular value remains same, whereas the sign changes. This one is the 4. This one is the 4. Now we write all the 4 first. 4 is first. Now you should have to remember these elements in order only, right? By using these two. Hints. Very important for following the time JEE questions. The first one is lower SRP. The element which is having lower SRP, it undergoes into oxidation. That is, it may act as anode. It is also called as what? Reducing agent. The element which undergoes into oxidation, that is called as what? Reducing agent. Or the element which is having higher SRP, that undergoes into reduction. That is act as cathode and oxidizing agent. Next, first into second one. SRP values, standard reduction potential values, directly proportional to oxidizing power. Here the SRP value, here will be the oxidizing power. Now, and it is inversely proportional to the reducing power. Inversely proportional to the reducing power. Reducing power means lower the data. Here, higher the SRP value, lower will be the reducing power. Lower will be the reducing power. Next, third one is if SRP is more negative, then it is, or then that particular element is more reactive. This one is third. Fourth thing is SRP value for an element is fixed. Now here I am writing, that is, if we multiply or divide any value to the reaction, here SRP value remains same. SRP value remains same. This one is the fourth thing. Means SRP value for the element it is fixed. If you multiply any value to the reaction or divide any value to the reaction, the SRP won't change. It remains same. But when the reaction is reversed, then the sign of SRP value is changed. And magnitude remains same. That is that particular value will be that is remains same. Magnitude remains same. Finish fourth. Next, last one is 4 minutes over now. 4 minutes over. Next, by seeing the SRP value, you can decide which undergoes into oxidation, which undergoes into reduction. Or by seeing the SRP value, you can say which one act as anode, which one act as cathode. Or you can say that by seeing the SRP value, which is reducing agent, which is oxidizing agent. This is first thing. Second is if he is giving the number of elements or elements with their SRP values, he is arranging. He is asking that arrange the elements in order of their oxidizing power or reducing power. Then you have to use the second thing, that is SRP is directly proportional to oxidizing agent. Higher the SRP value, higher will be the power of oxidizing power. Second is higher the SRP value, lower will be the reducing power. By seeing the values, you can arrange that one. This is the second hint. Third hint is he is giving 3 to 4 elements, with their SRP values, and he is asking that which one is most reactive, Then you have to check which is having more negative SRP value, that is most reactive. This one is third hint. Fourth hint is for solving the need geometry questions. What happens for balancing, for getting the answer, you have to multiply some value or divide some value to the reaction. In such cases, the E naught value is fixed. It does not change. Don't change the E naught value. That is E naught value, standard reduction potential value for a particular element. It is fixed. It won't change. If you multiply any value or divide any value to the reaction. But what happens when the reaction is reversed? Here the reaction is reversed. The sign of the SRP value changes. That you have to keep it in mind. Next one. Fifth we will see another. P, Q, R. 3 elements. P, Q, R. 3 elements are there. Now he is asking that what is the question is. He is giving options. First option number 1. A. I am taking only 2 options here. A is which one is correct? Q reduces. R. Q oxidizes P. First option. Second option B is reverse. That is Q oxidizes R and Q reduces P. Here 2 options are there. First option is Q reduces R. Second in that only. Another one is Q oxidizes P. That first option. Second option is Q oxidizes R and Q reduces P. Which one is correct? Again 2 options are there. Q oxidizes both P and R. Fourth option is Q reduces both P and R. 4 options are there. I am taking only 2. Which one is correct? For that, you have to check. Just think that only these 2 elements are increasing order. Lower SRP value to the higher SRP value. P is having lower SRP value. R is having higher SRP value. Just think. Now here R is not there. Now just think. Which one is having lower SRP value? P. P is having lower SRP value. Lower SRP value means which undergoes into oxidation. That is, in these elements, P undergoes into oxidation, Q undergoes into reduction, because this one is having higher SRP, therefore it is undergoing into reduction. Now, first I can write here Q undergoing into reduction means it is oxidizing in P. Right? Means Q is oxidizes P. Q oxidizes P. Correct? Q itself undergoes into reduction, whereas it is oxidizing P. Oxidizing P means or oxidizes P. Correct? Now, if these two elements are only there, correct? Q and R, Q and R. That means in these two elements, Q is having lower SRP, therefore it undergoes into oxidation. Q undergoes into oxidation, whereas R undergoes into reduction. R undergoes into reduction because R is having higher SRP. R is having higher SRP. Now just check, right? Here it is. We got first one, that is oxidizes, and is here. Q undergoing into oxidation. Q itself undergoes into oxidation, but it is reduces R. It reduces the R. Means it is reducing. It is reducing R. Now just take correct option. Q is oxidizing P and Q is reducing R. Which one is correct? Here it is. Here. Q reduces R. Q reduces. Here it is. And Q oxidizes P. Q oxidizes P. Therefore, option A is correct. Q is oxidizes P. Correct? Oxidizing P and Q is reducing R. Here, these two. Right? Such type of questions are there in the NEET or JEE. Right? Next. This one is third. Just remember here. This much is enough. Is P, Q, R. Here it is oxidizes. Here it is reduces. How to write it? Q oxidizes P and Q reduces R. Reduces R. This one is 50. This one is 50. 5 units. Now we will see last one. All these things depends upon only SRP values. Only SRP values. Now we will see last one. 6th one. What is the last one? He is giving two reactions. Zn plus CuSO4 gives rise to ZnSO4 plus Cu. First reaction is the second reaction is now let us check. ZnSO4 plus Cu gives rise to copper sulfate plus zinc. Here it is solid, aqueous solution. This one is solid. Aqueous solution, solid. Here it is aqueous solution. This one is solid. Which is correct? Which one is correct? First reaction is correct. Second reaction is correct. I'm calling this one is first reaction. I'm calling this one is second reaction. He is asking out of these two reactions, which one is correct? Which one is correct, or which reaction is possible? Which reaction is possible? Now just observe. We know the SRP values. First, which element will come? लेकर कारनामा एरोप्लेन. पानी जंग करता. पानी जंग. Now after that, copper will be there. Right? Means this one is having lower SRP. Lower SRP. This one is having higher SRP. Higher SRP means according to electrochemical series. Here lower SRP means it undergoes into oxidation. Zinc should undergo into oxidation. Copper should undergo into reduction. Copper should undergo into reduction. Clear? Zinc should undergo into oxidation. Copper should undergo into reduction. Now, what is meant by oxidation? What is meant by reduction in terms of oxidation number? For example, if the oxidation number is changing from +2 to +3, or +2 to +4, or 0 to +3, or 0 to +2, increasing. Means if the oxidation number is increasing, that is called oxidation. That is called oxidation. Here +2 is changes to 0. Here +2 to 0, decreasing. When the oxidation number of any element decreases, that is called reduction. That is called reduction. Oxidation number is increasing, oxidation number is decreasing, reduction. Just remember. Right? Now we will check. Here, what is the oxidation number of this thing? 0. Right? Only one element, that is 0. Right? How to calculate? Already we know. We have discussed it in the First here redox reaction chapter, correct? Here oxidation number is 0. Now in these cases, this oxidation number of zinc is +2, whereas SO4 minus 2, SO4 is -2, +2. Zinc here it is 0 oxidation number, here it is +2. Means oxidation number of this zinc is increased or decreased? Just observe. Oxidation number of the zinc in the reactant is 0. Oxidation number of element zinc in the product is +2. That means 0 to +2. Means oxidation number is increasing from 0 to +2. Therefore, zinc here it is undergoing into oxidation. Zinc undergoing into this reaction oxidation. Because here oxidation number is increasing. What about copper? Here it is +2. Here it is 0. What about the oxidation number of copper? Here +2 to 0. Means oxidation number is decreasing. Oxidation number is decreasing. Therefore, I can say that copper undergoes into reduction. Copper undergoing into reduction. Now it is correct or wrong? Just check. According to SRP values, zinc should undergo into oxidation, copper should undergo into reduction. That is only happening. Zinc is undergoing into oxidation, copper is undergoing into reduction. Therefore, this reaction is correct. This reaction is correct. Now, whereas this one, let us check here. Now, what is oxidation number of zinc here? +2. What is oxidation number of zinc here? 0. In reactant, oxidation number of zinc is +2. In product, oxidation number of zinc is 0. Here +2 to 0. That is oxidation number is decreasing. That is zinc is undergoing into here reduction. Here it is reduction. Whereas copper here oxidation number is 0. Here it is +2. Oxidation number is increasing. Therefore, copper is undergoing into oxidation. But this is opposite to the SRP values, correct? Opposite to that of the rules of the SRP values, right? Means according to SRP values, zinc undergoes into oxidation, copper undergoes into reduction. Whereas here zinc is undergoing into reduction, copper is undergoing into oxidation. Therefore, this reaction is not possible. It is wrong. It is wrong. First reaction is correct. Second reaction is wrong. Always remember, upper elements or lower SRP values elements can replace the higher SRP elements. Can replace the higher SRP elements. Here, zinc lower SRP element. It is taking place of copper. It can replace the copper. Correct? Means lower SRP elements can replace the higher SRP elements in the chemical reaction. In the chemical reaction, this one is the sixth thing you should have to remember. Right? Now, just remember what we have discussed today. We have started electrochemical series. What is meant by electrochemical series? It is the arrangement of what? Elements, various elements, in order of increasing or decreasing of their SRP values. That is called electrochemical series. Right? Depending on SRP values, we have seen 6 rules. Correct? Or 6 hints for solving the JW or NEET questions. Right? Lower SRP oxidation, higher SRP reduction. SRP is directly proportional to oxidizing power, inversely proportional to the reducing power. 2 hints are over. Right? Third one is, which is the third one? Right? Now, more negative SRP means most reactive will be the element. Fourth one is, what is the fourth rule? Right? Now, for SRP value for a fixed element is fixed. It won't change by multiplying or dividing any value to the reaction. If the reaction is reversed, then SRP value sign changes. Magnitude say sign changes. This one is 4. Fifth one is between elements. Correct? Increasing order of SRP. Lower P is having lower SRP than the Q and R. R is having higher SRP than the P and Q. Right? Increasing order of SRP. In such cases, middle element to the upper element oxidizes, middle element to the lower element reduces. This is also very important. It is the fifth. Last one is always lower SRP values undergoes into oxidation, higher SRP values undergoes into reduction. Such type of reactions are correct. Right? Opposite to that type of reactions are wrong. Right? Means lower SRP elements can replace the higher SRP elements. Right? These 6 hints are very important for solving the questions. Okay, today we will stop here only. Thank you.